everyone, welcome to my channel Create to Inspire. We all know that Diwali is a festival of lights. So we spend so much to decorate diyas in a different way every year. In today's video, I'll be showing how you can decorate diyas at home for Diwali or Christmas in a very easy way with only few materials. So let's get started. For this DIY, you'll need any color paper, needle, scale, pencil, glue, scissors and anything which is round to draw a circle. Now take the paper and cut it according to the size you need. Here I am taking an A4 sized color paper and taking 15 centimeters of height. Now cut the excess paper. Now measure the center point of the paper and draw any kind of design of your choice. Here I am drawing a flower and a few lines on the sides. Now place a cardboard sheet below the paper. Take a needle and start making holes on the outline that we had drawn. You can also use thermocol sheet or a stack of newspapers below for the support. And you can also use a push pin or a compass to make holes. This is how it looks once it's done. Now stick the ends together using glue like this. Now the candle sleeve is ready to use. You can do this for any kind of design. Here I am just drawing a design for your reference. For this DIY, you will need a glitter sheet, a punching machine and an X-Acto knife. I made the glitter sheet into two pieces. Take one and make holes in the edges using a punching machine. Now cut any pattern using an X-Acto knife like this. Once it is done, stick the ends together as shown. Now staple the ends to secure it. Now the candle sleeve is ready to use. You can cut this sheet using any pattern of your choice. Here I am cutting this in a small triangular shapes. Now it's ready to use. For this DIY, you will need color paper, an X-Acto knife and glue. Now using X-Acto knife, cut semicircles in different sizes. Once it is done, bend the paper like this. Now stick the ends together using glue. And this is how it looks finally. For this DIY, you will need a pattern paper like this, scissors and a stapler. Cut the paper according to the size you need. Now staple the ends together like this. Light up a candle and place the candle sleeve on the top like this. If you are a fan of lights, go and check out my candle holder video using coconut shells. You will definitely love it. If the paper you used is thin, you can use glass candle for support. If the paper is thick and strong, you can go for normal candle. You can also use battery operated LED candles for this DIY. Do let me know in the comment section which of these DIYs you like the most, and share your creations with me on Instagram if you try any of these. I'll be glad to see your creations. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos and click on the bell icon for getting notified about my new videos. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye bye.